Liquidation. Liquidating your business. This is one of the most common exit strategies is liquidation. While this happens about 40% of the time, only 12% of business owners say it's their ideal strategy. Now, some business owners have no choice but to liquidate. We saw this happen during the pandemic. Many business owners were negatively impacted by the pandemic and were forced to sell, but they couldn't because their business is not sellable. So they were forced to close up their doors and liquidate. Welcome to today's episode of Biz Coach and Coffee, where we combine business strategies and coffee. We hope you're enjoying our series on exit strategies. So today we're talking about our final exit strategy, liquidation. Oftentimes, businesses are forced to liquidate due to lack of planning. In other words, something unexpected happened to the business owners, such as a death, disability, pandemic, and there was no succession plan in place to ensure that ownership and leadership can be transitioned appropriately. So how do you tell if your business is a candidate to go into forced liquidation? Or what happens if something unexpected occurs? Ask yourself these 7 questions. If you answer yes to a majority of these questions, then your business could be a candidate for forced liquidation should something unfortunate, unforeseen event happen. So let's say you couldn't work in your business anymore. Would a spouse or a child own or control your business? Would they be liable for your debts? Do they lack executive or the business experience to keep the business going? Would sales likely fall in the short term if you're not around? What about profits? Would they decline? What about key employees? Would they be leaving? Would clients, maybe they're thinking about leaving? Plan your exit. Build the right time well in advance. That's going to help you out a lot. Get that exit CPA, the lawyer, the financial planner, and the business coach to start working with you to build that strategy and exit on your terms. We hope you enjoyed this quick series on exit strategies, and you can watch the whole series on our YouTube channel. If you like this video or any of the others, please make sure to like the video below and subscribe to our channel to stay in the know. Once again, this is Biz Coach Steve Feld wishing you and your business much success.